English to Bosnian. Go equals.
Ići.
Fun past tense practice. Welcome. Hey you, ready to level up your Bosnian? Let's have fun while you learn. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart path to language mojo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and free practice. Today your mission is simple. Connect English, go, with Bosnian.
Ići.
And rock the past tense without tripping over your shoelaces. Your goal today. You'll speak the most common real-life forms with confidence. The core verb is, go, equals.
Ići.
You went, mask, equals.
Ti si išao.
If you're female, say.
Ti si išla.
He went equals.
On je otišao.
She went equals.
Ona je išla.
We went equals.
Išli smo.
They went equals.
Oni su išli.
Quick forms you'll use. Say them out loud, your tongue needs the workout. I need to go now. I need to.
Ići.
Now. After the movie, you went home. Pozlić filma.
Ti si išao.
Kući. He went to the store. Quote.
On je otišao.
U prodavnicu. She went early. Quote.
Ona je išla.
Rano. We went together. Quote.
Išli smo.
Zajedno. They went because it was late. Quote.
Oni su išli.
Dzierża bilo kazno. Mini dialogue. Listen first, then echo the Bosnian parts. A. Ready to go? B. Yes, let's.
Ići.
A. Where's Marco? B.
On je otišao.
Pre-J minute. He went a minute ago. A. And Anna? B.
Ona je išla.
Kući Renij. She went home earlier. A. Did you go yesterday? B. Da.
Ti si išao.
Renij, a ja kazni. Yes, you went earlier, I went later. A. What about the group? B.
Išli smo.
Autobusum, Ali kazni.
Oni su išli.
Pijesk. Laugh break. Tiny joke to glue the words in your memory. My shoes texted me. Stop scrolling and start strolling, time to.
Ići.
Then they added, P.S.
Ti si išao.
Yesterday, so no excuses. Culture tip. Travel through language and Bosnia at the same time. In Sarajevo's Baskarcija, you'll hear plans that all point to movement. Friends say, Hajmo.
Ići.
Na vape. After concerts, someone shrugs.
Oni su išli.
Pre-J guzvi, meaning they left before the rush. And if your friend disappears for coffee, don't worry.
On je otišao.
Samo po espresso. Story bite. A tiny tale packed with your target forms. It started to rain, so.
Išli smo.
Do tram stop. Marco waved.
On je otišao.
Renij, Anna smiled.
Ona je išla.
Pijesk jer voli setnju. You checked your watch and realized.
Ti si išao.
Na pogreznu stranu juicer, but no worries, today we simply.
Ići.
Right. The storm cleared, the lights changed, and by sunset.
Oni su išli.
Na veseru doksmomi slavili dobar izgovor. Lightning quiz. Answer fast, speak out loud before I reveal the line. Q1. English to Bosnian, we went. A.
Išli smo.
Q2. English to Bosnian, he went.
On je otišao.
Q3, English to Bosnian, she went. A.
Ona je išla.
Q4, English to Bosnian, they went. A.
Oni su išli.
Q5, base verb, to go. A.
Ići.
Q6, you went, mask. A.
Ti si išao.
Challenge mode. Your turn. Build a quick line in Bosnian. Prompt. After the movie, we went home. Say it with.
Išli smo.
Model. Pozlić filma.
Išli smo.
Kući. Bonus. Swap subjects. They went to the park.
Oni su išli.
You park. Goodbye. You did great. Lock it in with one more repeat. Remember, go equals.
Ići.
You went equals.
Ti si išao.
He went equals.
On je otišao.
She went equals.
Ona je išla.
We went equals.
Išli smo.
They went equals.
Oni su išli.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing and visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and laughs. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. See you next time.